Hey my youth, you know what you watch? Dance
Now who that?
Supposed to be like a John Frank week.
Killer boy turn grandfather, you know. Yo, your pants are tight and I appreciate the killer.
Oh, you just to suck some blood. I read down the
Watch pose. Camera flash.
After I say like artist said.
So this are the one and only Great Ninja Man, one of Jamaican's legend. This is a leak video of Ninja Man from behind bars. You see me? Some time ago, we're not sure how long ago this video be, but you know, we just bring this video to you, my viewers, because it's hot on social media right now. And I know say a lot of my viewers them where is a fans of, like the fans of Ninja Man would like to really and truly see what go on with them artists. You see me, them like to know. You see me? Yes, we agree that some might know, but some might not know. You see me? So for those who don't know, this is a video of the legendary Ninja Man. You see me? A living legend at that. You see it? And if some people don't realize the Ninja Man got life in prison, but he can get a parole after 25 years. You see me? I say at least 25 years. The judge them say him have to do before he get a parole. And you know, Ninja Man is one of the icon them will set the pace for dancehall in Jamaica, especially with the whole Sting concert thing, isn't it? Because he's one of the main attractions for Sting, where everybody come see Ninja Man clash somebody on Sting. You see me? I know say up till now a whole heap of people wouldn't mind, them would have loved it if Ninja Man would have still released songs even though in the behind bars. You see me? So you don't know. Yeah, and there's a song where him actually do when he say you know, the prison thing, you know that song when do with our brother when named Monkey Mark. Cause Monkey Mark actually linked me. You see me? I say, yeah man, really and truly the man who produced the song there for Ninja Man. And that song they shot. Me not tell a lie, that song they bad for Ninja Man, so you can check out that, you see. But you don't know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave a comment and let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. Want to big up on yourself. You see.